Hey everyone, it's Emily from Life So Savory, and today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful glitter monogram ornaments. Use your cutting machine to cut out letters of glitter vinyl in whatever size you would like, and a variety of fonts could be used. I liked using these blocky letters because it was easy to sew around. My faux vinyl is not sticky, it is a smooth backing and then the glitter on the outside. Take your letters and sew them to a piece of medium thickness white felt. You want a little bit of a base here, so don't use felt that is too thin. Stitch carefully around all of the sides of the letter, quite close to the edge. Your stitch should be about 1/8 of an inch from the outside of the letter, and then carefully just go around all of the sides of each of the letters until they are sewn onto the white felt backing. From here, you're going to go ahead and trim around all of the letters. You want to leave a tiny bit of a white border around the outside of the letter. One, because I think it looks really cute, and then two, this will give us something to sew on when we sew our second layer of white felt together to hide the hanger. So here's my letters, and then I'm going to go ahead and trim any threads and then cut around all of the edges. Use smooth single cuts to cut around the letters and then try to shape a little bit of a border and cut out all the letters in this same way. Once you have all the letters cut out, you're going to cut about 6 inches of cording or ribbon, whatever you want to use for hanging your ornament. You're going to place it on the upper left-hand side of the letter. You can use a little bit of glue to help hold it in place if needed. And then you're going to sew this and the letter to a second piece of white felt. Use the same felt. This time I changed my thread to white. Last time I used coordinating with the glitter vinyl. Change your thread to white and then again stitch around the letter on all of the sides, but this time I'm sewing on that little bit of white border that we left after the first cut. This gives a little bit of variety and dimension to the ornament and makes it look really cute, as well as giving the glitter vinyl a place to stand out and pop. Once you've sewn all the way around all of the letters again, making sure to reinforce where the hanger is, you're going to cut out around the letters for a second time. This time should be a little bit easier because you're following the guide of the white felt border which you left the first time, but essentially you're cutting around, leaving that little bit of white, not cutting your stitches, and highlighting the glitter vinyl on your ornament. Once you have that finished, you can go ahead and repeat for as many letters of the alphabet or monogram names as you would like. Add your Christmas tree hangers and then add to your tree for a cute and easy design. Adjust the shape and size and font to your liking, and you can make endless varieties of this project.